Visual vocabulary. Describing objects in the workplace. Hello, English learners. Today we are going to sharpen our language skills by focusing on a very practical and essential topic: describing objects in the workplace. This will not only enhance your vocabulary but also improve your ability to communicate effectively in a professional environment. Let's start with some common workplace objects. You'll find these in almost every office. Desk. A table-like piece of furniture where you can work, usually with drawers for storage. Chair. A piece of furniture designed for sitting. Computer. An electronic device for storing and processing data. Printer. A machine that prints text or pictures onto paper. Telephone. A device used for talking to someone else who is far away. Remember, each object's name is just the start. You can describe them further by talking about their color, size, shape, material, and more. When describing an object, you might want to include details about its appearance and material. Here are some example sentences. The desk is large and rectangular, made of polished oak wood. The computer has a slim, sleek design and is lightweight. As for material, objects in an office can be made of various materials like plastic, metal, wood, glass, etc. The printer is made of black plastic and has a small digital screen. The telephone is a modern one, with a touch screen and metallic body. Understanding the function and usage of each object is also crucial. This allows you to discuss not only what an object is, but what it's used for. The desk has a large surface area, perfect for spreading out all your work. The computer is essential for tasks like email, internet research, and creating documents. And there you have it, a quick guide to describing objects in the workplace in English. By expanding your vocabulary and understanding how to describe the appearance, material, and function of common workplace objects, you will be better equipped to navigate and describe your working environment. Keep practicing these descriptions and, of course, don't be afraid to expand your vocabulary with new objects and descriptors. Keep up the good work, and we'll see you in our next English language learning session.